Hello and welcome to the Urban Survivor channel, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Quick Survive fire starters, which are extreme weather fire starters that are easy to light and produce a really intense flame. They can be used to light wood stoves, outdoor campfires and bonfires, a fireplace, charcoal with or without a chimney for your barbecue, wood pellets for smokers, and more. Not only are they great for survival situations, but they're excellent for emergency kits, backpacking, camping, and more. Quick Survive has been providing outdoor and survival gear for nearly a decade, and in addition to their fire starters, they also offer a full line of outdoor and survival gear. You can follow along on their social media and check out their products using the link in the description below, and you can use the coupon code URBANSURVIVOR for 20% off store-wide and free USA shipping. This is the 50-piece fire starter canister, but you can also pick up a smaller package with 12 fire starter pouches. Here's a close-up look at the Quick Survive fire starter. The pouch is very compact and comes in at roughly 2.5 by 2.5 inches, and it's also very lightweight at 5.7 grams or 0.2 ounces, which makes it the perfect size to pack inside of your fire kits if needed. The accelerant itself is white and comes inside of a small plastic wrapper, which is also flammable, and it helps to keep the accelerant together in case it starts to crumble. You can light these really easily with a lighter, matches, or a ferro rod, and all you need to do is light it at the corner and it will catch in a few seconds. Quick Survive fire starters are 100% waterproof, windproof, and rainproof, and they burn up to 10 minutes long, which gives you plenty of time to get a nice fire started. After a few seconds, you can see that the whole pouch has caught fire, and now it's producing an intense flame which can reach an incredibly high 750-degree temperature with a flame height up to 1 foot, and it's even hot enough to help light wood that has been rained on or snowed on. Quick Survive fire pouches also make it really easy to get a big fire going in a backyard fire pit. 1 to 2 pouches should be enough to do the trick. All you need to do is light them, and you don't really have to be too careful about the placement. Just put them beneath the logs and light the pouches from the corner. Another thing I like about these fire starter pouches is that you don't need to use the whole pouch at once. You can tear open the package and break the fire starter into little bits and light them individually, which makes it a great addition to a survival or backpacking setup because each pouch can help you start many fires. Quick Survive fire starters are a great addition to your survival kits, bug out and get home bags. They can be extremely useful in emergency situations, and they're also safe to use with food and helping for starting fires to cook your emergency food storage. If you want to pick up some Quick Survive fire starters, you can either purchase them directly on their website at quicksurvive.world, or you can pick them up on Amazon as well. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you again in the next one.